What's up, y'all? It's your girl Jasmine, and I'm back with another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how I do a flip over quick weave on myself using TPLXtensions, Glamour Body Wave, which is our raw Vietnamese hair, and a 16, 18, 20 inch. As you can see, I have 3 bundles here. The longer one is in its wash texture. The bouncier ones are fresh out of the pack. So it is suggested once you receive this hair that you wash it. And once you wash it, it will come out to be in its natural texture, which is the longer bundle. And of course, the longer bundle is the 20 inch, and then those other 2 bundles are the 16 and the 18. But as you can see, it's really curly, fresh out the pack. And it's just for an easier install, and just overall better quality of the hair. Just go ahead and co-wash it once you receive the hair. This is the new collection from TPLXtensions, which is the raw Vietnamese hair, and this is what we are calling our Glamour Body Wave, which is basically a more curlier, wavier body wave, in my opinion. I've been asking people if I should change the name of this texture, but y'all let me know down in the comments what y'all think, if I should change the name of the texture. But I like Glamour Body Wave. I have a classic body wave and a Glamour Body Wave. The classic body wave is wavy too, but this one is more curly wavy. But anyway, let's get into this flip over method quick weave. So I am starting off by parting off the front of my hair. I am braiding, both of these sides down. And, you really just want to leave out the perimeter of your hair, like just the perimeter of your hair. I recently cut my hair into a bob. The front of my hair has always been having issues. You know what, whatever. We're just, we're going to braid it down. We're going to leave it out. So, and that's what I'm going to do. So I parted off the area that I'm going to leave out, and then I'm going to start, with this back braiding base. You want to cover the perimeter of your back part. I am sewing my cap down so that I can get longevity out of this style, and you want to make sure that you grease your scalp underneath, and then you don't have to sew the cap down if you don't want to. I want to, because I'm trying to keep this on for a long period of time. If you've never had a quick weave before, I'm gonna tell you right now, there is a phase of itching. For some reason it be itching, so just a little thing there. But make sure that you get you some protective solution to cover your hair, to protect your hair from the glue. Do not do a quick weave without that quick weave solution, because baby, your hair is gonna be upset with you. Okay, you need the protective solution. Braid that down. In the back, I'm really just doing some basic, cornrows. My hair is not that dense. It's very fine. It's always been fine. So, just a few braids do for me. But if your hair is thick, you want to braid that thing down so it could be semi-flat. Now, I would recommend for this style that you use curly hair, just because in the front, like, I've done this with straight hair. I have another video on me doing the maintenance on a flip over method using, actually I've used the classic body wave, but I wore it kind of straight and curled. I blowed it out. And that worked fine. Honestly, I love that sewing. I probably would go back to that. That's why I immediately went into this flip over quick weave, because I love the flip over sewing so much. But I would suggest, using curly hair, especially if it's your first time doing the flip over. I would use curly hair. But as you can see, here I am. I put that cap on, and I am sewing down the cap because, again, I'm trying to get this quick weave to last a little bit longer than it normally would. I just want to keep it on to see how long I can keep it on, while still being able to detangle this Glamour Body Wave hair. I'm trying to show the world that this hair is the bomb, honey. It is real hair. This is real raw hair. Like, this is some, like, real hair. Like, this ain't no silky hair. This is somebody's real hair. It acts just like real hair. And I love it. It is very high quality. And it is very versatile. All the textures that we have within the raw collection is very versatile. This Glamour Body Wave, it could be blown out. It could be worn in its natural state. It could be curled. All the textures are very respondent to heat. They respond very well to heat. So curls be popping, okay? And curls be lasting for days. The straight be straight, okay? Straight all the way down, full from root to tip. And I'm not gassing y'all. I'm telling y'all, this hair is top of the line. If you want hair that you could color and that you could keep from years on years, I mean, I got clients right now that are like doing a whole sew-in regimen. Like they sew it in, they take it out, they put it back in, they take it out and they put it back in, because this hair is really like that. And you can have this hair for seasons on seasons. You go through the fall, this is your hair for the fall, you put it up, and then you go through summer, get your braids. You know, look at that texture. Ooh, it ain't even dry yet. I'm gonna show y'all what the Glamour Body Waves looks like when it's dry. But I just want to tell y'all, this hair is top of the line. Okay, I'm so excited to be introducing it to the world after being, using it for so long. You all deserve high quality hair, and hence why the Pretty Lounge, we are moving into self-care as, being the focal point. And we believe that, receiving flowers is the highest form of, self-care, appreciation, excuse me. And at the Pretty Lounge, we want to give you your flowers. So you deserve them, and you deserve to have the best. You deserve to relax. You deserve to be catered to. You deserve to look how you want to look. You deserve all of that. You deserve your flowers, okay? And I want you to, especially when it comes to extensions, get them at the Pretty Lounge, okay? TPLX is like that. I'm telling you. Our Brazilian hair is very good, too. It's very high quality Brazilian hair. So you can check out our hair collections online at theprettylounge.com. And yeah, just stay tuned. There's so much happening at the Pretty Lounge right now. I wish I could share more than I can, but I can't. So we'll just keep that together and, just say a prayer for me, and I'm going to say a prayer for y'all. Thank you all so much for tuning into this video. If you've gotten this far, thank you so much for tuning in. I really appreciate you, and I really enjoy putting out videos here on YouTube. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you are watching, wherever you're watching from, tell me down below in the comment box where you watching from. I just want to know where Miss Jasmine K in the Pretty Lounge is viewing. As usual, if you are not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can see what's popping at the Pretty Lounge every Sunday at noon. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments, questions, concerns, go ahead and get down in the comment box and I'll get back to you. And yeah, thank you all so much for viewing. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have anything, just anything, just get down there so I can talk to you. So I can let y'all know what's going on. But yeah, stay tuned to the end of this video. I'm gonna also show some additional clips about this hair, this Glamour Body Wave, that is a new release of the Pretty Lounge. Of me just doing a wet reset, of me, just taking it down from a nightly twist out. I did include that here so you could just see how I maintain this hair, and I really don't do that much to it. Little spray, water, and conditioner go a long way. All right, y'all. I will see y'all next week. Have a great week. Peace.